Now that's one of the things you will only find on my channel. Well, this flashlight here, it's one of the kind with the button in the end, doesn't turn off whether you press the button or not, but the button itself isn't faulty. I measured it. It's fine. So it took me a while, and then I found out that if you screw it down, this spring gets compacted and pushes the side ring here and closes the contact, and so the flashlight stays on, just as if we put the scissors in here and see, touch this, because the end, when it touches the side of the housing, light goes on. So I shoved a bit of paper into it and it worked. Switch turned off perfectly fine. And now for a bit more permanent fix, I will put a bit of shrink tubing around the lower part of the spring and heat shrink it on. I just have to find a suitable length and cut it down so it's not too long, not too short either. This seems to be about it. Let's wiggle it on here. Make sure it goes down. But yeah, you can imagine how it works. I will just heat it with a lighter, and we're good to go. Right about here. So now let's take the blowtorch and set it on fire. Sure. Yeah, it's shrinked now. Oh, smells delicious. Never screw it down. Yeah. Switch is working again. No ghostly glow anymore. Only perfection. Yeah, a quick fix. The kind of video you only find on my channel. Just heat shrink tube this around here and you're good to go. It's the same with this kind of flashlight, but here the spring is smaller and the insulator is bigger. As you can see here, it's just metal around it. But this is a good flashlight. You can even take the switch out and replace it if it is broken. But it wasn't broken. It just made contact where it shouldn't make contact. Yeah, hope you've enjoyed it. See you next time here on this channel. If you've enjoyed it, there's tons more stuff like this here on my channel. So just click on my channel icon logo thingy and check it out.